The production of implants and prosthetic components takes place in clean rooms certified according to ISO 7. Here you see one of our citizen turning machines that we use to manufacture titanium grade 4 and grade 5 production parts like implants and prosthetic components. The first step is the loading of the titanium rod into the machine and to start the respective program for each specific article number. The turning process is liquid-cooled. The liquid is collected and recycled from the titanium rod to the finished product. All process steps can be carried out at BEGO in Bremen. Our expertise ranges from the production of prototypes and production raw parts, surface treatment and assembly, to final cleaning and packaging. State-of-the-art optical measurement technology enables the entire component geometry to be captured very quickly, ensuring a high degree of accuracy. Strictly monitored process parameters within the manufacturing of the Ti-Pure Plus surface guarantee consistently high quality across all implant lines, diameters, and lengths. The colored anodization of the accessories ensures that components are not mixed up during the procedure. Anodization only changes the thickness of the titanium oxide layer, which reflects light at different wavelengths. This means that the components remain solely of titanium. The implant sets are assembled with the help of robots, which have an extremely high degree of cleanliness. Contamination by bacteria or viruses can therefore be avoided from the start. Many of our fully customized machines are built in-house. Over the last couple of years, we have gained a very high degree of knowledge in the automation of our processes. Every implant set is checked for correct length, diameter, and the label on its lid. Using camera technology makes sure no wrong parts are mounted and all labels are printed correctly. Our validated packaging concept ensures that all products stay sterile for 5 years after the sterilization process by using gamma irradiation. Packaging the items using data matrix code and OCR character recognition ensures that the right items are in the right boxes. With a production capacity of over 1 million articles a year, we make sure that our products are ready for shipping right at the time they are needed. The fully automated warehouse uses a barcode scanner to independently compile the ordered goods, making incorrect deliveries impossible. Steady and effective automation, along with a sharp focus on cleanliness and quality, are making BEGO products a good choice for clinicians and patients.